All right, today we're gonna teach you how to take photos of cars. All right, so first we're going to take some rollers. I'm gonna get in the back of my car, Emmett's gonna drive, Josh is gonna sit in Alex's so you can actually see what I'm doing, and we'll just tell you about the camera settings we're using, how we take those photos, and you'll see what comes out of it. All right, let's go. All right, so now we're gonna do some stills, and right now we have Alex's car right here, purple STI. And the first thing that you wanna do is make sure that the car is in a cool spot. So the composition of the photo is half of it, actually probably all of it, and then camera settings and whatnot is the other part. So right now, Alex just kind of pulled up and we're gonna look around, kind of just take some photos. We're gonna check them. Oh my God. I'm just kidding, this is the actual photo that went up. But you always want to try to find somewhere where, for me at least, I like to go as low as possible whenever you're shooting anything, like from product to photography to cars. Everything always seems to look better if you're looking at it on like the same level. So I try to get low, and I usually try to shoot at like f2.8 to like f5.6, unless you're doing really close stuff and you want to get like really cool bokeh or whatever, then you can use like 1.4 or whatever. But I notice that with stopping it down a bit, you get super sharp images that you can blow up to huge prints, and they look cool. So here's some of the photos that we're going to take right now.
One thing regarding camera is the lens. The lens plays a huge role in how the picture comes out, and choosing your lens has a lot to do with what sort of area you're in. So this is kind of my do-it-all lens that I use. It's a 35mm prime, and that's great because in these open areas I can move further back if I want the car to be smaller in the picture. Or in areas like when we're at car shows like Stance Nation or Week Fest, this still allows me to get close enough to the car without people walking in front of me and blocking the shot, and still getting to get the whole car in frame. Something like a 50 if you're shooting primarily outside, which is what Nick has on his camera right now. That's more ideal for situations like this because it's a little bit more zoomed in. But yeah, so choosing your lens, choose a lens for what sort of scenario you're mostly shooting photography in.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now.
All right, so I've been shooting with the 50mm, which is a great lens, but on a crop sensor like this, it's super duper telly for doing this stuff at least. And I'm gonna grab a wide angle lens, so hopefully we can get some really cool, like not quite distorted looking photos, but ones where the nose of the car comes sweeping out at you. So I'm gonna go put that on now. All right, so this is an 11:16, which should be pretty wide angle. So let's go see what it can do. This, you can get a lot more of the car in the shot and get some really cool stuff. Boom. Oh, and you get really close. So as you can tell, I'm a lot closer to the cars and I'm getting about the same coverage of the car in the frame. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you learned something about taking some photos of cars. Let me know in the comments what you do. Tell me what I should be doing differently. But hope you guys have a great day. Please like, share, subscribe, and go check out our store too. And we'll have a link to that video right here. All right, see you guys. Peace.
Today, we're going to teach you how to take pictures of cars.